Welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheel Guys. Today we're doing a legendary Bugatti Hot Wheel review with the legendary Ryu Asada, who passed away in April due to cancer. So nevertheless, this is one of his last designs, the 2021 edition Hot Wheels. As you see, it's new for 2021. You won't see any new designs. You could see different color variations and all that stuff. But originally, the designer of this Hot Wheel is Ryu Asada. So car number 224 out of 250 from Hot Wheel Exotics, 6 out of 10. This is the car that's finally getting to US, actually in reality, because they weren't sold in US unless it was a museum show car. Now you can actually, they're street legal since they're over 25 years. So one of the best iconic cars next to McLaren F1 back then. It was one of those hyper cars during the 90s, the F40, F50, McLaren, and Bugatti. So nevertheless, the EB means Ettore Bugatti, the name of the owner, the designer, the company guy who designed the Bugatti cars. So it marks his 110th birthday. Technically, he passed away also a long time ago. So nevertheless, Ettore Bugatti, born on September 15th, 1881. Wow. And died on August 21st, 1947 in the American Hospital of Paris, Neuilly-sur-Seine, France. That's where he died. Well, nevertheless, guys, as you see, there's no mirrors on this Hot Wheel because technically, well, they would fall off. Well, let's open and see. Most of the cars are actually, even Hot Wheels, are look good in blue colors. And this specific also looks pretty nice. And I like how they did instead of the clear lights or like other Hot Wheels does. They actually put a plastic over it because it is plastic. Sorry guys, let me just open it. Yeah, destruction. Nice. Pretty heavy actually. Wow. Due to so much metal on it. I didn't expect that heavy. Like for the car. It has some weight to it. It should be nice and fast car. Well, famous horseshoe. Bugatti logo. And as you see the headlights, they did a tinted with the tinted smoked windows. 10 spoke wheels. Just like in reality, they have the grille. So nevertheless, the real Bugatti was designed by, pardon my little French, was Marcello Gardini, Giampaolo Bendi, Paolo Satanzi, Nicola Materazzi. So the car was a 3.5 quad turbo, V12. The EB, of course, it stands for Ettore Bugatti. So, European logo. Well, in 1998, Bugatti went out of business, bankrupt, basically because due to recession in 1995. In 1998, Volkswagen bought it. Now the rumors say they're teaming up with Rimac. And when Bugatti came out, they're making limited edition cars. So the first one was actually well-known, Veyron. They only made 45 cars a year, total 10-year for a 10-year production, which means 450 cars of Bugatti Veyron produced, and replaced by Bugatti Chiron that I have reviewed on it. Now they're making 50 cars run a year, total 10 years, with 500 cars altogether. Meanwhile, they had a GT version. They had the La Voiture Noire, which means one of. And then they had also one of the cars that were made replicated or renewed was it called Bugatti Cinta DSE or Bugatti 10, and they're only making 10 cars, no roadsters, only coupes or coupe, whatever you want to call it, that looks similar to it, just like Lamborghini Countach did the replicate and redesigned the new version of Countach that looks like old one. And they have another car, Devo, which was only 40 cars. And then they gonna have Bolide that they showed as a concept car, but since it was one of the iconic cars about 6 months ago and they revealed or so, people really wanted to ask them, and they actually decided to actually do like 40 cars, I believe. They're all sold out already, and they won't start production till 2024. So people who bought it, they paid down payment. They're still waiting. They're going to start waiting for about 2.5 years now before they actually receive their first customer receive the Bolide. Nevertheless, guys, if you have something more to add, please add, comment down below, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. And one other thing, guys, heads up, next year for 2022, there will be Ryu Asada team, just like Hot Wheel Exotics, in memory of our legendary Ryu Asada. They're going to have a Ryu Asada team Hot Wheels. So look out for that, and feel free to buy to support him in his memory that goes on in Hot Wheels that we all grew up in. By the way, guys, if you have Bugatti Chiron Hot Wheels, feel free to post on my Facebook channel group that I will post in descriptions, or comment down below, see if you can send a picture, show a picture over on Facebook comments. Comment down below if you got any Hot Wheel Veyrons. I know there was a run of Veyrons that I missed out a while back ago. So nevertheless, if you guys have one, feel free to post some pictures on my Facebook channel. All the Bugattis, all the 2021 edition Hot Wheels that you have, or any other Hot Wheels that you bought. Or comment down below, post in the comments once I post this video and the pictures of this iconic Hot Wheel.